sorted?
Sorted, yeah. We did extended this already. We just have to loom it again, and then we extended the what else did we do? This. Oh yeah, this. And then look at here. Injector stuff.
Just going to keep it NA, right? That's all motor.
Yeah, yep. I think he's gonna do like a fully built high compression motor eventually.
Okay. Are we gonna put anything on the harness for in case he has to go 8 injector one day, or just when it comes?
He doesn't need it, right? He don't need it. This is a death trap already.
He's gonna cage it inside or cage the whole car? Anything? Like?
I'm not sure. Yeah. This is a street car, so it's not. Okay, we got all that. That's it.
You can put it on the lift, or you can jack it up, go underneath it?
No, we're gonna put it on the lift. You can see here. See, we're gonna have to cut this thing smaller because we're gonna build a battery box right here for it. That's gonna be for the battery box, and then this is gonna go all the way on top, and then it's gonna go all the way through there somehow. Right there, up to there.
Okay.
Alright, cool. And once this thing goes on a lift, we can start plugging everything in.
Installing some of the Ktuned goodies that we got from Ktuned. Thank you, Ktuned.
Just doing the upper and lower coolant housing today, and possibly the belt, because I'm gonna start running fuel and coolant. I'm gonna run fuel today, but I'm just kind of like putting everything where it needs to be so we can run the fuel and the coolant, you know, hopefully in the next couple days here, and get all those lines figured out where they need to go and stuff like that.
So it's up on the lift now. Right now, Chad's installing some Ktuned goodies here. That, and then since it's on the lift, we could do the bottom, we could do the fuel system, and then we could finish up the harness, the rest of it.
Is it just random?
That was for this.
Oh, so we have to buy our own, whichever ones we choose.
Yeah.
And the rest are to block.
Yeah. Actually, no, let me just block it off now.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Yeah, I know, this is all for this. Right. Yeah, this is a heater core plug, but we're not using it. Yeah, but we're not going to put that there. You're going to use AN.
Oh, you know what? Now I'm going to plug it up.
Yeah, plug it. Let's use
nicer.
AN. Yeah, these are all plugs. We use AN for all of them.
Where's the
They just give you all the options.
Yeah. How come this what's in there?
They just give you all like the options of wherever you want to do it, kinda, right?
Yeah.
So we can.
Pretty
You
cool.
might have to put it in the back of this one. It might look better because the exhaust is going to be down. So we put the thing in the back.
Back here?
No. I think put it on this side to leave it because you got all the fuel stuff's already going to be up here.
That's what I'm saying. So it hides it more if we bring it this way. Because if we do it here, I don't know. Because we're gonna have to build a catch can right here somewhere.
And we're leaving the heater core things, correct?
Yeah, because we're gonna build a heater core. We're gonna have to cut this and put an AN fitting on it. So it's real nice, you know. But we could do that after we get it running. Yeah, then we could do that, and then you know. There it is.
This thing is stripped. You son of a slut.
Okay, so
Yeah, tell what harness.
you can see the harness here. We're gonna go ahead and plug all this up here, get it nice. But let me just get this out the way. Let me just get this out the way. Yes, these all gotta be plugged up. So we're gonna leave this out the way. But you can see here where we're having it. Here we're gonna have to go this way with it. We're gonna bring it around here. Maybe bring it all the way up somewhere here. As you can see,
You're gonna right in the middle.
a little bit, yeah, right inside this hole here. And we get it. Perfectly, right in there. And then we'll build a little cover for this, yeah. We'll build a little cover for that, and we'll make a little bracket for all this to go up here. And then this one here, we're gonna use for the battery. We're gonna build a battery box right here for the old one. Right here for the battery right here,
Yeah.
and that's gonna go there. What else is there? That we
Hey,
gotta do?
and
Oh, then we gotta do-
We'll got better look at the
Hey,
fuel tank, right?
so
Yeah,
in
yeah.
order to use the factory thing, we're gonna keep the rear plastic.
Mhm.
Okay, well this thing is stripped. So we're
I
gonna-
got another one. So you can see here the fuel cell, fuel tank
Yeah.
that we modified here. So what we're gonna do is, where's the pump? So what we're gonna do is, okay, with this here, we're gonna put this somewhere like right here. We're gonna build a bracket off this to hold it here. It's gonna go
I'm actually,
This.
I was actually gonna talk to you. We're gonna probably put it like here.
here.
Wanna know why? I'm gonna put
Here?
a 90 here, and the fuel filter is gonna be right here,
Okay.
floating in the air.
So the reason why we want it like this is because we're
I'm
gonna
gonna
have
go
it
wrap it around.
around here because it's easier to get to, and then from here we're gonna go up this way.
Yeah, I'm not sure which side. Whatever side you think.
It's easy
We
here.
could go up this side or that side, either side.
Mhm.
So we'll figure that out.
We'll build a bracket here for
Yeah,
that.
and I have
Take
this
thing
already
off.
to get powder coated to hold it. So we're just gonna build a bracket
Bracket
to
for
hold this welded straight on,
Okay.
and this will be strong enough to hold everything in place.
Yeah, so that's the fuel system, and then of course all the this is the stock tank we just modified, and then after we get done with the fuel system, because the returns are up here, so we'll build a coming back off,
Yeah.
maybe this way, coming straight to return here.
And then we're thinking about hiding the regulator.
The regulator somewhere.
So we're
here.
gonna hide the regulator, so then when we first regulate it, we can have a gauge. We're gonna check it out, do everything, but we weren't gonna put it in the engine bay. So it'll come down, regulate, go to the top of the fuel.
Yeah. And then now, after we get done with the fuel system, we're gonna do the cooling system. So as you can see here, the cooling system shouldn't be that bad since we have that. It's and yeah. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna buy a 90, and then we're gonna cut this, and we're gonna make this. We're gonna weld the AN fitting onto this.
This, okay.
Yeah. So it's just gonna go from here to here, and then this is the heater core. So
We're gonna loop it.
Yep.
Have to loop the heater core through
through
the other
Cause it's gonna
other
go.
heater core.
Yeah, so it's gonna go. It's gonna come up this way, and then it's gonna loop to the back. So we're gonna loop it all the way around. Okay.
What?
And then what? Oh.
What are you doing, camera boy?
And then
I just thought
on this one here, it's gonna go to this right here.
Yes.
So we're gonna have
figure that out right now.
Yeah, we're gonna have it going straight this way. We'll put the AN fitting. So
Yep.
Go straight to it. Okay.
Mhm. And that's pretty much what
Maybe this could even angle up.
Up
Then
exactly.
we get a 45
Oh.
dash 12 AN, and then weld dash 12 AN on
Yep.
here.
Everything else is good. Yeah.
Alright, the acne is moving swiftly, quickly.
Oh, I think you guys saw this.
Yeah, the
We
bracket
just have
that's
to
made.
weld. Yeah, we just have to
The
weld
bracket's on.
this bracket on.
We have to trim that now.
Well, and after that, we have to just trim this a little
I know.
bit. Yep.
The bottom piece.
Actually, you know what? We don't need to.
What's gonna make the bumper bolts over here?
Oh, that's right. Yeah, we have to because of this. See, it still needs to go up. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna have to cut. We're gonna have to cut here, and then this is gonna go up, and then the radiator is gonna be down right about.
All right, guys, the truck is getting along pretty swiftly. So thank you guys for keeping posted with us. You know, it's coming along, it's been a long time coming, so we're just doing it step by step, making sure we get everything right. Shout out to Ktuned. Like, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.
S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skills. We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skills.
Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping.
S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skills.
Them wheels are always
We'll have you
gripping.
gripping, don't get caught slipping.